Meaning of flower arranging.
Flower arranging.
Flower arranging.
Flower arranging.
Flower arranging. Flower arranging is the art of creating pleasing compositions using fresh or dried flowers, foliage, and other botanical materials. The final result can range from a simple arrangement of a few stems in a vase to a complex installation that incorporates multiple elements and techniques. Flower arranging is often used in home decor, special events such as weddings and funerals, and cultural practices such as ikebana in Japan. The purpose of flower arranging is to create a visually appealing and harmonious display that highlights the beauty and natural qualities of the botanical materials used.